What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are actually going to be focusing a little bit on the interior, trying to take a little bit of a break from the exterior. So if you guys haven't already noticed, we have this piece missing right here. So we're gonna be getting this pulled out. It's a little bit of a bitch, to be honest with you guys, to pull out because you do have to remove quite a bit of panels just to get that piece pulled out. But the reason why we're getting it pulled out is we're going to be wrapping it. I'm going to be doing something a bit different. This piece is inside and it is finished, so I'll be showing you guys how this is going to pretty much look when we get inside. So to start out, to remove this piece, let's go ahead and remove that right now. To remove this, you do have to remove both side pieces. Most of your glove box has to come out. All of this bottom stuff has to come out. I think, oh man, I'm pretty sure I did. I know there's going to be a screw here, and then once you remove this, there's a screw there, and then this has to come out either way. To remove this, you just literally just pop it out, and then same thing with the bottom. I believe there's a screw. There's gonna be a screw. Maybe there's not. No screw there, but just pop this out, and then I believe there is a screw in there, but I think I left the sides out just because it's a pain. Also, there's a screw literally like right here, but back more, so you have to remove this whole bezel. I left that screw out as well. When I removed mine, my thing actually cracked here and it cracked here. I fixed it, but it is cracking again, so I am going to be purchasing a new one of those in the future. So let's go ahead and just get these two out right now, and then we'll see if I did leave out the side pieces. If I didn't, then we're gonna have to remove everything, which I really don't want to do. All right, so I got the bottom two screws out. So I think let's see. All right, so I think for sure this has to come out as well, and again it just pops out. All right. Pop that out, and then yes, so I did not put the screws back in. I find it very unnecessary, and if you do end up wanting to pull this out, you've never pulled this out before, like I said, this whole glove box has to come out. It's pretty straightforward, just a few screws. But so let me try to set you guys up and let's get this bad boy removed. So you're gonna want to put it actually in neutral or in drive, so you can get this whole unit out. And then, like I said, there's a screw. It's gonna be like right here, but it kind of goes up. So yeah. And then, so pretty much now we're gonna go ahead and kind of just move this over here. And then of course, just get all the clips and plugs and whatnot removed. And then I'll kind of show you guys, trying to make this not fall. And then I'll show you guys pretty much what to do next to remove this whole cassette. Because there is a piece that plugs into the radio. It's very fragile. You do not want to break it. So when you remove this, do not just yank this whole system out, because you could damage it. So right now, I'm going to go ahead and just get those pieces right there removed. All right, guys, so we got this pulled out. Actually, that piece I was telling you about that you don't want to yank out, we haven't gotten to that point yet, but pretty much you just have this plug right here. You have a plug here, 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 and here, and then your antenna right here. And then once you get all of that out, you're gonna have just a few screws just on the sides right over here. So you're just gonna wanna look for those, get those removed. So let me go ahead and remove those really quickly, and then I'll show you guys what part it is you wanna really be careful for. All right, so I got all the screws loosened up. This is the piece you wanna be careful for, actually, right here. If you just go ahead and yank this thing out without detaching this, it's gonna break. I did that. I've removed this before, and I've removed this twice. The first time I knew about it. The second time I totally forgot, pulled it. A piece did break, but it still does work, thankfully. So yeah, you just want to be very, very careful with that. So we're gonna get that pulled out. So like I said, I got everything removed. Let me go ahead and loosen these a little bit more. All right, come on. There we go. All right, get this out. Bam, there's the radio. And yeah, so it's fragile, guys, really. So this just plugs right into here. So now we should pretty much have everything out. Let's see. There we go. So all in all, I removed, what do we have? 2, 4, there should be another screw, oh, right here. Let's see. There we go. So yeah, 2, 4, 6, 8 screws, and then all of this is pretty much gonna come apart. And now to get out this circuit board, because we're wrapping it, so we do want this removed, and this is the whole unit right here in the front. I believe it's just this one right here. So I believe that's the only one. Let's go ahead and try it. All right. So remove this little one. Put that there. And which other one was it? It should just be that one. Pretty sure. I don't remember. Yeah, it is just that one. Okay, cool. Yeah, because you see, because it goes right there, and that removes all of that right there. It's just hard one-handed. Oh, this came out. Sweet, and there you go. So this is pretty much what you're gonna have. So like I said, guys, now that we have this whole thing removed, I'm going to be wrapping this, and I'm going to be wrapping this. Let me go ahead and show you how we're gonna make it look. I have it right here. This one I already wrapped. So I'm gonna kind of do it like this. I kept this side pieces black, wrapped the whole center. My line's not the greatest, but it is what it is. So kind of changed it up a little bit. Wanted it to look sort of OEM, but also a little different to match, you know, the exterior of the car. So I think this is a pretty cool little look. So pretty much what I'm gonna have to do is match that piece with this piece so we can make sure this line flows through. And then we're gonna wrap this entire thing, and hopefully it will come out looking good. All right, guys, there it is. All done, tucked and everything. I still need to post heat it and make sure everything is good, and I still need to do the lines, but it's looking really good. I'm happy. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do some final detailing on it, make sure everything's good, and then trim the lines, and then we're gonna get that and this piece back in the car and see how she looks. I'm just holding it in right now. That's how it would look black. I don't think it looks bad, but I do think I'm gonna wrap it though. I am going to wrap it, so I'm gonna go ahead and knock that out. But let me know what you guys think. Worst comes to worst, I can always just peel that piece off and put it back to black. But let me go ahead and get that piece wrapped, get these sides cut and get it assembled, and then I'll pick up the camera. Looks really good. I like it. It's not perfect. For whatever reason, the circuit board, so you can see it's like bent up right here now. I know it's not from the heat gun. I don't know why I don't know. It's like something's blocking it. whatever, it is what it is though. Not really a big deal. But yeah, it looks really good. A couple parts lifted because I had it tucked in, so as the button came through, it kind of popped out some spots a little bit, but I got it back in for the most part. But you'll never really be able to notice. But there it is, guys. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. I think it looks really good. I kept this piece right in here black just to kind of give it a cool little look, I think. But all in all, I'm happy. So now let's go ahead and get this and that into the car and see how she looks. All right, guys, so putting it in is a little tricky. You got to kind of maneuver it and just finesse it into it. You got to get this part right here underneath the dash, and then same with these little pieces right here. They have to go underneath the panels, this piece right here on both sides. So it's a bit tricky, but just finesse it and it will go after a little bit. But I can already tell, I already love it. I think it looks so good already. All right, guys, just finished it up, and in the mix of it all, my car died. I think I need a new battery or something, because something's seriously wrong with that. But anyways, there she is. I like it a lot. I think it looks good because now it matches the exterior. I think it goes well with the red seats and everything. And it looks stock again, but not quite at the same time. So comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Next thing that needs to get changed is the armrest. So I'm actually going to be redoing that. It's going to be a velvet as well, but it's going to be black to match the pillars right there. So that's going to be getting redone black. So I think that's going to look awesome. But make sure to comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. I think it looks freaking awesome. I really like it a lot. I hope you enjoy this video. Make sure to comment down below. Let me know, what do you guys think of the interior? I think it looks great. It's very OEM. It looks OEM, and at the same time, it's not. I think it looks much better than all black. So comment down below, hit that thumbs up if you guys like this video. It really does help my channel out a lot. Consider subscribing down below. A lot of great things to come. Like I said, paint, exhaust, tail lights. We still have a plenum spacer that we need to do. We still have more interior stuff we're gonna do. I'm in the process of rebuilding the trunk, which I cannot, oh, it does open. Let me go ahead and just show you guys that really quick. So I'm actually in the process right now of redoing the entire trunk. I dropped the tank down below, lower, so now only half of the tank is gonna peek through. That way I can still use that space in there in case I ever need to move anything that's really long or I need to pick up a part. All of this is gonna be getting cleaned up, so I'm just waiting on a few more parts. But we also pretty much have the entire trunk going down as well. So if you guys are interested in all of that, and oh, also we're gonna be lowering the rear end back down, so everything is going to be sitting on the floor. It's going to be nuts. It's going to be awesome. I cannot wait, and I hope you all are excited just as much as me. So again, subscribe if you guys aren't already. Hit that bell notification so you guys are notified every single time your boy drops a video. And I hope to catch you all in the next one. And until next time, guys, as always, peace out.